Get ready for dancing with It's the Dance for Me and You. Hello, dance family. It's the dance for me and you. How about that? Today we're gonna talk about half turns. We're gonna do half turns today, and I'm gonna demonstrate for you first, and then we'll do it all together. So of course we're gonna start with our right foot back. And we're gonna do a half turn, and this is the way a half turn can be done. It can be done just pivoting, or it can be done cha-cha. It's based on how you feel during the move while you're dancing. You can choose for the most part. So I'm gonna show you both at this time. So we're gonna go cha-cha-cha step left, cha-cha-cha step right. Cha-cha-cha step left, cha-cha-cha step right. That's a little demo of the cha-cha. Now I'm going to show you if I was pivoting, not really picking up my feet as much. So my right foot is back again. I'm going to demo that, and it goes like this. One, two, three, step left. Sorry. One, two, three, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. I hope you caught that. And so now we're going to do it all together. I'm going to ask Gary to turn around and give us some music. Where's the music, DJ? We're going to catch the beat. Got our favorite song here. So we're gonna do a ballroom up first, and then we're gonna go into, when I call it, we're gonna go into the half turn. You can do either or, and I'm gonna flip flop in between, but I'll call it out. I'll call one half turn, and I'll call half turn. I'll just call half turn. And you can choose which one you want, whether you want to cha-cha your half turn or you want to just pivot your half turn, because ultimately it's up to you, right? So we're going to start 5, 6, ballroom up. Cha-cha step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. And this time we're going to half turn. Step left, 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. And you can choose which one you want to do. Step left. All right now I'm doing the pivoting. Step 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, I'm doing cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, step left. Cha-cha-cha, step right. Cha-cha-cha, step left. Cha-cha-cha, step right. Cha-cha-cha, step left. Cha-cha-cha, step right. Okay, so that is the half turn. I almost think we should do it one more time. Okay, let's do this one more time. I just want to go through it. Gary, turn around, because I just want to make sure you got it and you have practice time with us. So 5, 6, ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. We're going to go into half turn. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Okay. So that